Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. What if the perfect city is actually a monster in disguise?
Tech giants promised us a smarter planet where data was going to solve all our problems.
This vision of a clean, optimized world is so appealing. But, there's a dark side. And here's our first clue, a terrifying concept called Frankenstein urbanism. What on earth is that? It's when you stitch high-tech plans onto a broken social system. It creates a monster.
You have this utopian vision and then the oppressive reality. The two just don't mix.
So what happens when this creation comes alive? Because believe me, this isn't just a theory.
Well, these experiments create new ways to exclude people, new walls, both digital and real. They fail to help marginalized groups and just deepen the divides that are already there. Think about it. In some places, food and healthcare are tied to your social score. Terrifying, right? And don't think this monster only lives in faraway places. That's just not true. Its parts, the tech, the ideas, they're being built everywhere, maybe even in your city. This leaves us with a final chilling question. Do you know what they're building where you live? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.